Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a sweetheart, man, little baby doll, 1984 Ford Mustang GT, 26,000 mile, two-owner car, and it is a sweetheart, man. Love these cars. Matter of fact, I had an 83 when I was about 17 years old. Loved that car. Mine was blue. A lot of fun to drive. This has got the 5-liter HO engine with a 5-speed manual trans. Factory red car. It's got the a gray cloth interior. Pretty much all original. Just like I said, 26,000 original miles on it. It was a two-owner car. And really just been babied out through life. Sunroof, it's a hatchback car. It is a GT. Very cool car. These cars have really started to come on. I've been trying to focus on them a little bit. Trying to buy the Mustangs, trying to buy Grand Nationals, the 80s Monte Carlo SS's. Matter of fact, the 80s G-bodies in general have come on real strong. And this stuff has grown very popular. Not a whole lot that we can really nitpick. Again, very original car. I asked him if it had if it was all original paint. He said there was a couple little scratches they had fixed, that they had the paint blended. I can't even see where they are. So he did a really nice job when he had it done. But the majority of the paint is original, he said. And it's slick. It's got great shine. Again, it's a sunroof car. I believe it has all the original Carlite glass in it. Pretty car. Factory rear defog, defog, not frog. It's got the sunshade in the rear that's nice. This is a beautiful car. I actually watched, I was at a little auction this weekend. I watched one of these go through my head. I think 2,000, yeah, this one's 26. The one that went to the auction at 24,000. I'll be honest with you, it shocked me. Sorry guys, little dust there. At what the other one brought. It brought quite a bit more than what I'm even asking for this car, and then you had to pay the 9% juice at the auction. No. I don't think that's the original tires. It's got the TRX aluminum wheels on it. Factory exhaust. Matter of fact, you can even see the Ford part number and everything still on the exhaust. This is a pretty car. Beautiful little car. Fun to drive with that manual shift. Those are Michelins. That might be the original tire, guys. I can't remember what these had on them. Michelin TRXs. You can open the doors and deck lid now. Again, factory 5-liter 4V HO engine, 5-speed manual trans behind it. All your inspection marks and everything are still in there. Power steering, power brakes. It's got air blows cold. This is bone stock underneath here. I'll get it, Mike. Just leave it open, yeah. Again, stock aluminum wheels. Pretty car. There's your door tags. Power locks. Manual windows. Factory cloth bucket seats. Center console. Again, 5-speed manual trans. How nice that factory dash is, which it should be. 26,000 original miles. This car should look brand new. Panasonic am-fm cassette. I specifically remember all those, that little car graphic with the low fuel stuff on it, the lighting on it. Again, factory exhaust. It's got factory rear end. The rear deck is a little bit of a pain. You just kind of got to pull it up a little bit slow, and it'll stay up. Just kind of can't just reef it. The car's clean, nice and straight. Beautiful little car. Clean as can be underneath. It's got a he provided us with an auto check for it. There's no accident report. Mileage log is in there and everything, so that's nice. Just a pretty car, man. If you're looking for a killer little 5.0 with low miles to add to your collection, I think you'll have a blast with this car. It is a little sweetheart. All your original owner's manuals and everything are in the glove box. Dash is nice and clean. You go ahead and start, man. It's your original seatbelt sticker on it. Click your air on. Air blows cold. Turn it back off, Mike. That's a great little car. You're gonna have to put the park brake on because it's got that little thing to put down. Park brake works too, guys. But you're gonna have to shut the hood. I can't do that with one hand. They have a prop rod in '84. Parking brake light works. Again, all your gauges work. Door buzzer works. Good. It's cold. Everybody always asks, why are they smoking? It's cold out. Hit your brake lights, Mike. Turn signals. Backup lights. Yep. Give it a little rev. Great car. Radio works. Turn the volume. It's got an AM station, but lower motor works. You can shut your door over there, Mike. Wipers. Headlights. Yeah. Horn. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.